Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. In this one, we're basically going to be discussing my Bitcoin price prediction for basically the next 11, 12 days until the halving happens. So at the current moment, Bitcoin's at around $8,650. It reached a high of, I believe, $9,489. Last night, I basically stayed up until like 3 a.m. watching it, and just trying to keep putting in stop losses higher and higher. So I was able to secure a little bit of profit. But yeah, it's just been a really bullish few days. But to be honest with you, I really do believe that Bitcoin is still heavily tied to the stock market, as much as we hate to admit it in this space. And if the stock market has a bad day, Bitcoin's gonna have a bad day, just like today. But on the other hand, if the U.S. keeps pumping money into the stock market, and that's all green, and then they start dishing out some more $1,200 stimulus checks, the price of Bitcoin is going to get pumped up. So I think even people overseas are going to be benefiting from the stimulus checks, is the funny part, because a lot of it's going to go into Bitcoin, especially those people that are just barely making under like a certain threshold of money to get the check, and they really don't need it. You think that money's like they don't need that money, so of course they're going to put it into a risky asset like Bitcoin or something. Not all of them, obviously, but just quite a few people definitely, if they see Bitcoin going up, will definitely think about putting money into Bitcoin stuff. And then obviously with the halving, I don't think a lot of people understand it. I don't think that they understand that it's not going to be like, all right, boom, Bitcoin halving, the price is going to go up tenfold or whatever. It just doesn't work like that. There's a good chance that it doubles, but it's probably going to be over a 6-month period or whatever. But who knows, a rally could break out. But yeah, so not financial advice here, but my personal prediction for where I think Bitcoin's going to go, I do think it's going to pull back under 8.2, 8.1, somewhere around there. There's going to be a certain price, I think, that it hits where it just does a complete reversal and then goes parabolic. So I don't know where that price is going to be, whether it's 8.2, 8.1, 8.79, whatever. But once it goes below a certain amount, I think it's going to flip, and then it's going to be a real bull rally. And depending on how the stock market's doing, if the stock market is just staying afloat, I think that this thing could go crazy. And I think a lot of that money could start pulling into Bitcoin, and start making it an uncorrelated asset class, which would be sweet. But with the thing with altcoins, if any of you hold altcoins, personally, I sold all my altcoins for Bitcoin just for the moment. I'm going to come back in probably in like 6 months to a year, and maybe this summer, if I'm making money, I'll probably end up getting some small bags in altcoins. But yeah, Bitcoin is the main player right now for sure. So that's basically it for this one, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.